Repurposing content. So what is repurposing content? It's using existing content that you've already created that's performing really well to create content for other mediums. So audio, video, visual, infographics, things like that, all of that. Why would you use content repurposing? It allows you to tap into other audiences and it allows you to build SEO juice really fast through backlinks. I'm going to explain that in just a second. So some mediums that are available for content repurposing. There's obviously text content, which is what you have on your blog or website. Sometimes that's where a lot of people start. Sometimes that's where people tend to move their content afterwards. Audio, it could be a podcast. It could just be snippets of you talking about stuff. That can go on podcast directories, can go on SoundCloud, YouTube, wherever you really want to make it. Videos, these are awesome way to get stuff across. It can be visual like this type of video. It can be just a video of you talking, a whole bunch of different ways that you can do it. But distribution channels there, YouTube, Facebook, Vimeo, there's thousands of those. Graphics, those are more things like memes, more so than infographics where it's much more visual versions of data. But for both, there's tons of distribution channels. You can use Google Images, Flickr, Facebook, Instagram, Visually, which is an infographic directory. You can do guest features, and there's a load of infographic specific directories out there. There's over 50 or 60. Now, why infographics and videos rock? Those are probably the two best mediums that you can really go out there with. The reason being, Google can't index them based on content. So you can take the same infographic or the same video, post it on 1,000 different places with different intro and outro text, and a link back to your website, and Google doesn't know the difference. It's amazing. So people love to share infographics and videos, and typically they're also willing to accept them as guest posts. So if you go and look at like HubSpot's guest blog rules and outlines, they do accept infographics in certain cases where it's really well done. Similarly, they may also accept videos if they're really well done. So it's all about creating really awesome infographics and videos if that's your repurposing choice, and reach out to those places and say, hey, I created this awesome infographic. I'll write you an awesome intro and an awesome outro to explain the infographic and summarize the content. Can you share it? And that's going to be a really easy backlink, which will drive tons and tons of SEO juice. So some action steps here. Use BuzzSumo or Google Analytics, your Google Analytics data, to find content that's performing well for you. Now, performing well is subjective. It could be you're getting a lot of traffic to it. It could be you're getting a lot of likes and shares on the article. It could be that it's generating most of your leads. If you have data related to customers and leads, go based off that data. If you don't, go based off organic traffic data. And if you don't have either one of those, go based off share data. So identify those key content pieces that you're going to repurpose. Identify the medium in which you can create really awesome versions of that content. So if you're really good at graphic design, go for infographics. If you're not too bad at graphic design, but you can whip out a pretty good PowerPoint presentation, go for a video. Create that new repurposed content and then promote it. Those are your action steps for this.